It's a 2015 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. Kelley Blue Book finds in addition to the image boost an Audi immediately grants, you'll be treated to a refined ride quality, sophisticated design, and premium amenities. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.